Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create blog posts in HubSpot. If you're managing content for your business or clients, knowing how to publish polished blog posts directly through HubSpot will streamline your entire content workflow and help you maintain consistency across your marketing efforts. First, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot login page. Once you're there, log in using your HubSpot account credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing tools. Now that you're logged in, look to the left navigation panel, hover over, or click on Content to reveal a set of marketing options. From the menu that appears, select Blog to open your blog dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all blog-related content within HubSpot. In the blog dashboard, you'll see a Create button in the upper right corner. Click on it to start a new blog post. A dialog box will appear prompting you to select a blog. Click on Select a Blog, and a drop-down menu will show your available options. If you're setting up a new blog, select Add a Blog from this menu. Next, the Create New Blog window will open. Here you'll need to fill in essential details, including the blog name, language, and meta description. These foundational settings help organize your content and improve how search engines understand your blog's purpose. Once your blog is configured, click the main content area labeled Blog Post Body and start typing your article. To format your text, add lists, links, or emphasis, use the rich text options available from the plus icon on the left navigation toolbar. This editor gives you full control over how your content looks and reads. To make your post more engaging, click the Add module or the image and video icon to insert images, videos, or embeds wherever needed. Visual elements break up text and keep readers engaged throughout your post. Now it's time to optimize your post for search engines. In the left sidebar, open settings to adjust SEO options, meta description, slug, and featured image. Pay special attention to the slug, making sure it's clean and reflects your title. A well-structured slug improves your post's visibility in search results. In the post settings, you can also choose when you want your post to go live by setting a specific publish date and time, or you can leave it as immediate publish. Toggle the sticky post option on or off depending on whether you want this post to remain at the top of your blog feed. Before publishing, click Preview to see how your post will appear on both desktop and mobile devices. This step is crucial for catching any formatting issues or layout problems. Make any necessary edits after reviewing the preview. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.